Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable HubSpot API to sync custom objects with CRM detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable HubSpot API for syncing custom objects with your CRM, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on the settings gear icon located in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar, find and click on Integrations. Under the Integrations section, select API Key. If you don't have an API key yet, click on Create API Key. Once the key is generated, next, you will need to access your custom objects in HubSpot. In the left sidebar, click on Data Management and then select Custom Objects. If you haven't already set up your custom objects, define the properties for your custom objects as needed. Once your custom objects are defined, go back to the Integrations section. This time, click on Connected Apps under the Integrations menu. Look for the option to create a new connection or app. Select the HubSpot API from the available options. In the Connection Setup screen, input your API key where prompted. Provide any necessary information to authenticate your connection. Once authentication is complete, you'll need to configure the sync settings. Choose which custom objects you want to sync with your CRM. Set the desired sync frequency to ensure data remains updated. Review all settings and configurations to ensure accuracy. When everything looks correct, save your settings and establish the connection. Finally, test the integration to confirm that custom objects are syncing properly with your CRM. Monitor the syncing process periodically to check for any errors or issues. With these steps completed, your HubSpot API should now be enabled to sync custom objects seamlessly with your CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.